look at the next type of transformation. Now we're looking at reflection. Now to reflect an object, you need the mirror line. Now I have this quadrilateral which I want to reflect using this mirror line I was given to. Okay, so this is the mirror line. Now when you reflect an object, the pre-image and the image will be of equal distance from the mirror line. What that simply implies is that if I should reflect this object on the other side of this mirror line, it's going to be at the same distance from this point. So this distance so when we reflect this shape, other side is going to give us something like this. So is that every point this is the pre-image and this is the image. So let's call this E. So you can see every point is of equal distance. So the distance from this point to the mirror line is set as the distance from this point to the mirror line. The distance from this point to the mirror line here is set as the distance of this point to the mirror line. So for you to reflect an object, you need the mirror line. So we're still going to talk more about how to reflect an object as we move on. Okay, let's look at this new question. So we want to reflect this shape using the x-axis as the mirror line. So if you look at this grid, this is the x-axis. So that is, I want to reflect A to come to the opposite side of the x-axis. And don't forget from our previous discussion, for us to reflect this successfully, we're going to have the image of A on the opposite side such that the two of them will be of equal distance from the mirror line. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so let me start with this point. The distance between this point to the mirror line is 1, 2. So on the opposite side of the mirror line, I will count 1, 2 as well. So I've marked that point. Looking at this point, so the distance from the mirror line is 1, 2. On the opposite side, I will count 1, 2 as well. That's the second point. Then for the last point, from the mirror line, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the opposite side, I'm going to go 5 steps as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all I need to do now is to join these 3 points together to get the new image. Okay. So this is the new object, or the new image rather. So let's call this one. Now the second part of the equation, for the second part, we want to reflect the same object A using the mirror line x equals minus 1. So all we need to do is to locate the line x equals minus 1. So this is going to be the line. So we're going to draw the mirror line through this point. Then we're going to reflect. So let's start. Okay, so for this one, the distance from here to the mirror line is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the opposite side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second point. Then for the last one, from here to the mirror line is 1, 2, 3, 4. On the opposite side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I need to do now is to use ruler and pencil to join these 3 points together to have the image. So reflecting A using the line x equals minus 1. So let us call this point C. Now let's call this one C. Now there is more to reflection as we go along in this video, you will see how we can reflect given points or shape using different mirror